Hi there and welcome to Voxme. Here's how to add pre-existing damages of an item. Sadly, some items are a little distressed even before the move, and their condition need to be carefully captured. Otherwise, you'll be the one stressing over the damage claims. Now go to an item, say cabinet. Select the main damage type from the drop-down, say scratched. Tap on the camera icon and span a photo of the damage. Take as many photos as you need. If the photos were taken ahead of time, tap on the camera and then tap on Choose Existing Photo to pick a photo from the gallery. Tap on the comment section and then tap on Add Conditions to select additional conditions and then tap on Done. Tap on Add Location and select Damage Location Description and then tap on Done. Repeat the process for all damages. Tap on Item to go back to the package. Notice a camera icon to the left of the item and the main condition to the right of the item name. That's how you know that the item damages have been captured. Great job! Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more tips and instructions.